Hello everyone, Donnie here, and welcome to this edition of Big Drone Flyer 77. Today I got the little Fairy Air. This is the SimToo. I'm going to do a flight today. It's getting windy out here. You can't really see it on the video, but enough breeze to probably push this thing around a little bit here, but we'll see what it does with the GPS. We're going to go ahead and I already unlocked the arms. I put a class 10 16 gigabyte memory card right there on the side there, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and turn on the controller, and then we have to hold this power button down. Okay, now it's powered up, it's bound, so I'm going to turn on the phone here. And guys, I recommend that you take your cover off if you have you know, I have the little iPhone 5 here because this is 5G network, so you definitely have to have a 5G Wi-Fi to your phone. But anyways, the app that you have to download for this is the iOS version. It's called Fairy Air Camera. So I'm gonna go ahead first, go back to the settings. I'm gonna go to Wi-Fi. Turn on the Wi-Fi. Alright, there we go. XT175. That's what you want to connect to. And it's connecting. I already did the password. The password is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 and 0. And that's the password will get you right in there. Alright, let's get back to the app. I'm going to connect to the app here. Okay, now you want to press connect, remote control, because that's what I'm using. Okay, it's just telling you data rates, and now we got picture. So, and this picture is really good on here, guys. It's not bad at all. So, as you can see, that I don't see any hesitations. If it is, it's so slight I can't tell. So, all right, let me get this back down here. So I'm going to go ahead and I'll press record in just 1 minute here. And what you can do is press it right here. So you can switch to record right here on the side, or switch it back to camera. But we'll have it for record, and that would be the record button there. What I want to show you guys, which is important, the first time you go to take off on this is the unlock button here. So when you press this unlock here, it will get the propellers to start to spin. If you don't take off within 5 seconds, it'll automatically shut back down. Right now, while we're waiting for satellites, I only have 5. We want to at least have 10. So I'll show you this unlock button. Press it once, it beeps. It fires up, and I'll show you, it'll automatically shut down. Okay, it's shut down now. See, when you go to press it again, nothing. Okay, and what I see a lot of people, they don't realize is that you have to go to this land button here, hold it for about 3 seconds. Okay, let go. Now when you press unlock, fires the propellers back up. Alright, when you come down to land, when you press this to come land down, and you're going to want to hold that button again to put it in hold. That way the propellers will stop spinning as well. So far we have 6 satellites. Got 7 now, 8. Looks like we're starting to go. Should have enough to fly right now, so I'll take it up a little bit. You want at least 10 good satellites. So if you end up going out a distance, which I'm not going to do a distance run on this, it only goes 20 meters up and 150 meters out. We'll test that on another time. Right now I just want to test the video quality, and I want to test the flight and how stable it is in the air. So alright, so it'll hold that down so I can unlock this again. Press it once. Unlock. Now I'm going to press up. There we go. Alright. See how well it does here. Also, what you might want to do too is it does have a you can go and calibrate this. Let me bring it down by pressing this button once. It's coming down to land. Okay. Alright. Not a very good landing, but then you want to hold it and lock it. That way it doesn't take off. This part of the video will probably be a little boring because I just want to show you guys some of the stuff to do here. To calibrate it here, we'll go to settings. Okay, you could select if you want mode 1 or mode 2, the sensibility, and then calibration right here. Press calibrate. So you only have one calibrate on here. So you want to press calibrate. It says calibration succeeded. So you just press that for OK. And then sensitivity, it's like advanced is like putting it in. This is like level 1 for speed rate, level 2, then level 3. Okay, and I notice when I press these, they will not set. So I'm not too sure if this has to go through a few flights, if that changes, or if that's just for the controller. But we'll test that out when I do a controller flight too, guys. So let me get out of that. It's calibrated. Got 10 satellites. I'm going to start the film. Should be recording now. Alright, hold that down, press this once, let's take off. Alright. Turn it around. I have the camera level right now, so I kind of just wanted to see, because I don't really think I need a down pitch. You can tell the wind's here, it's trying to push it. You face me. Alright, what's up guys? There we go. Okay, so I'm gonna, looks pretty stable now. I'm gonna bring back to me here, turn it around a little bit. So we shouldn't be locked into GPS, I would believe. Let's see if the optical flow sensor is working. Yeah, it's working. So the flow sensor is working. Let's just take it out for a flight a little bit. It's kind of moving around right now. It's just due to the breeze I'm getting right now, so I'm sure this ain't a big wind flyer, guys, because it's pretty light. It's only like 140 grams, so it's not very heavy at all. Let me take it out here a little bit. You see the flow sensors. The GPS is a little twitchy there. I must have lost signal already. That's strange. It's automatically landing right now. Ah, very strange. I'm going to shut off the recording. It automatically landed itself. There's no way I lost the signal already. That was just way too close. I didn't like it digging in the dirt. Let me try this again. That's way too soon, guys. Way too soon. I didn't even go but, well, what? Maybe 10 meters? If that. Dust this off. It's pretty dusty out here. Alright, let me try this again. Let me start the recording. Alright, it says it's in GPS right now, guys. It says right on it, so I don't know why it went to optical flow, so let's try this out and see what happens here. Now it says optical flow, so let's see when it goes up a little bit. Is it? It still says optical flow. Let me try to go out here a little bit. Oh, it's returning to home. Uh-oh. That's not where home is. Very strange. I'm not understanding what it's doing. It's saying that it's landing. Very strange. I don't know what's going on with this, guys. Chopped up some tree branches there. Glad I didn't go up on the bank. That'd have been terrible. Tilt this down just a little bit. Camera's kind of dirty now. Tilt this up a little more. Down just a little bit. I don't know why, but it's saying it's an optical flow right now, so I'm gonna have to figure out why it's doing that. Like it's automatically landing now. I don't understand why it's disconnecting like that. Alright guys, hey, I'm not going to take it for any more flights right now. You can see some where I landed down right here on its top. I took it up, didn't have the camera rolling, had the Wi-Fi footage going on the iPhone, but I'm not going to bring that footage out. But when it came down, it went out about maybe 20 feet or so. So as I went out, maybe about 20 feet or so, probably about 10 feet up in the air, the battery just went out. Even though I had 87% charge on it, the battery just died and it fell out of the sky right on its top. And when it did, it broke an arm, which I ended up gluing the arm on. I believe it's this one. I could tell it's loose. Yeah, the rest of them were tight. So what I had to do is, these arms right here actually can pop off. They got 3 prongs in there. One of the prongs broke. The other one I was able to glue in there, but you can see it's loose now. But it held back in there, so I'm not going to take it for another flight at this moment. Maybe see if they update the app. They updated it once, but it didn't make a difference. It still would return to home or automatically land. So, alright guys, for now, I'm giving this thing a thumbs down for the moment until they can figure out the application. Only a rare few got to take this thing out, you know, and actually got to go out more than 50 meters. But me, I can't even get it out, you know, 4 to 10 meters if I'm lucky, without it returning to home or automatically landing. So, alright guys, hey, Hobbywow, thank you guys for sending this. Sorry I couldn't give you a very good review on suggesting this, but this arm's broken. I glued it in there. I wish I had that on film to show you guys, but I glued it for now, so it'll work a few times, but it's not going to be 100%. But thank you, Hobbywow, for sending this out. And guys, I would just stay away from this for now until maybe they do a firmware update on the app, and maybe they'll get this fixed up, because I could tell it's going to be a good little quadcopter. It's got good filming, and I could tell it flies nice. It just, the app or something is stopping it from going out. So having a problem there. So, alright guys, hey, thanks. Like always, I sure appreciate you guys watching. Like always guys, God bless, cheers, and happy flying.